Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a little different. It's just not a video, it's a thank you, a genuine from the heart. Thank you, and I really hope the right people see this. So, as many of you know, I attended the High India Pop Up Park in Delhi, and I have a lot to say. Let's get into it. For those who are new here, I'm a person with disabilities, and if you have ever attended a large scale event like this, the crowds, the chaos, the standing in long queues, navigating stall to stall, it can be incredibly overwhelming, even for someone without physical limitations. Last time I was attending something like this, and I had to miss out on so much entire stalls, entire experiences, not because I didn't want to be there, trust me. I desperately wanted to be, but because my body simply couldn't keep up and there was no support system in place, I came home feeling left out. Honestly, it's stung. So this time I decided to do something about it. Before the event, I contacted Hive India directly. I explained my situation, my limitations, but I'd need to actually enjoy the experience. And I asked if there was any way they could help me navigate the event more comfortably. And honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect. You reach out to a big organization, and sometimes you hear nothing, or you get a polite, vague response that leads nowhere. But they replied, and not just with a generic message, they actually helped. The day of the event, I was given priority entry. Do you understand what that meant to me? No standing in long queues, no fighting through the crowd just to get inside. I could walk in and actually arrive, not already exhausted before I'd ever seen anything. And it didn't stop there. Staff members from Hive India assisted me throughout the event. They helped me get past the crowd. They made sure I could actually reach the stalls, explore them, take my time, be present in a way I genuinely didn't think was going to be possible for me. I got to explore Kia, Samsung, Nongshim, H&M, Shoppers Stop, and more. Every single stall. I didn't have to stand at the edge of watching people going inside while I waited outside. I was there, fully, completely there. And the staff at every stall, absolutely lovely, patient, welcoming, kind, not a single moment where I felt like a burden or an afterthought. So I need to say this clearly on camera because these people deserve to hear it. To the Hive India staff who assisted me throughout the day, thank you. You have no idea what you gave me today. You gave me an experience I'd already told myself I'd have to partially miss. You gave me access. You gave me dignity. That is not a small thing. That is everything. To every stall team, Kia India, Samsung India, Nongshim India, H&M, Shoppers Stop, and everyone else, thank you for being so warm and welcoming. You made every interaction feel joyful. And to the CEO of Hype India, Damian Ditepionim, I found out that you were there yesterday and today I missed meeting you, seeing you, which honestly I'm still a little heartbroken about because I would have loved to pass along this gratitude in person. So I'm doing the next best thing. If this ever reaches you, thank you so much. 정말 감사합니다 for building a team that actually cares, that actually shows up for people, that makes event like this feel inclusive rather than just accessible on paper. I'm sharing this because representation matters, accessibility matters, and when a company actually does the work to make their events inclusive, it deserves to be talked about loudly and proudly. Hi India, you did it right. Thank you for watching. If this video meant something for you, share it. Let's make sure the people who made this possible know they make a difference. See you in the next one. Bye. Annyeong.